Why holidays feel so fast? Have you ever noticed how holidays seem to end so quickly? There are a few reasons why this happens. Having fun. When we're having a lot of fun, time feels like it goes by faster. Playing games, seeing new places, and being with friends and family makes us happy, and our brains don't notice the time as much. New experiences. During holidays, we do a lot of new and exciting things. New activities keep our brains busy, and busy brains feel like time is zooming by. Less routine. On holidays, we don't have the same routine as school days. Without the usual schedule, our sense of time changes, making the days feel shorter. To make holidays feel longer, try these tips. Be present. Enjoy every moment. Pay attention to the fun things you're doing. Try new things. Mix up your activities. Doing different things makes each day feel fuller. Take breaks. Rest a little between activities. This helps you enjoy each part more. Remember, holidays feel fast because they are fun and special. Enjoy them as much as you can.